The goat. The goat's any work at heights, even if carried out with a safety system, always involves a certain degree of risk to the person. The goat is an invention designed to enhance the safety of work done on the roof, reducing the number of possible injuries and accidents. The complete assembly at the device takes 30 to 45 seconds depending on the height you need. When assembled to the goat is a long tube with many comfortable supports, located at convenient distances for easy hand-holding. The installation of the device isn't complicated and the weight of the tube is no more than 7 kilograms. The length up to 5.4 meters allows the equipment to be fixed to almost any ceiling. It should be noted that the hook can easily withstand a load of up to 340 kilograms. In short, the goat allows you to work on the roof safely, always with the stable, secure hold in hand. The developer claims that this device can also save time as is much faster than conventional safety equipment. The goat can be purchased for $489. Varknerflexia. On the screen you can paint any surface twice as fast. The Warka de Flexio is designed for spraying dispersion paint, latex paint, and water-soluble paints. With its help it's also possible to apply base coat paint, various varnishes, and even wood preservatives. The device is equipped with 2 nozzles to paint horizontally, vertically, or to direct the liquid flow at a certain point. They should be noted that the user independently regulates the air supply, making it easy to achieve perfect coverage on absolutely any surface. The use of this paint dispenser eliminates the need for brushes, rollers, and trays. No need to change tools. The entire surface is painted with a dispenser. This not only saves time but also effort. The tank capacity depends on the model and varies from 0.8 to 1.3 liters. The weight of the device is 2 to 3 kilograms and you can buy this sprayer for $160. Goliath CNC. Goliath CNC metal, wooden, plastic cutting devices don't necessarily have to be cumbersome and space-consuming. The compact Goliath CNC robot is a perfect example of this. The device weighs only 10 kilograms, is autonomous and portable, connects to the Wi-Fi network, and is compatible with a large number of formats. The robot suitable for cutting wood, steel, copper, and plastic sheets. It also cuts predetermined shapes with a margin of error of less than 1/10 of a millimeter. The Goliath CNC is equipped with a patented sensor that constantly monitors its position, and space sensors continuously update the position of the robots in relation to the working area, allowing high accuracy to be achieved. To configure the robot's working area, complex mathematical calculations are not necessary. It's enough to mark them directly on a sheet of material using a special sensor that comes in a kit. After that, the Goliath is ready for work and offers almost unlimited opportunities for creativity, hobbies, or production. The price of a stationary cursor is about $20,000 and the Goliath can perform the same tasks for only $1,490. One cut. When it comes to fixing a house, cutting building materials at a certain angle is one of the most difficult tasks. Incorrectly cutting the angle of a baseboard can cause an unattractive appearance or waste of materials. The same applies when cutting wood, manufacturing parquet floors and platforms of various shapes. One cut is a device patented by Swedish engineers that's expected to solve this problem permanently. The device can measure sharp and obtuse angles. It repairs the angle so that the correct position of the cutting saw can be set quickly and easily. This simple and intuitive device will save you time and supplies as well as money. One cut's price is $45. Rigid Power Spin. Rigid Power Spin Plus. Here is a device capable of fixing clogged sinks and toilets without you ending up with dirty hands and with minimum effort and time. The unit can be used in 2 cleaning modes. The first is manual, when the spiral rotates by turning a special handle. The second mode is available with the help of an electric drill. Rigid Power Spin Plus can work in conjunction with the drill, speeding up and facilitates in the process. All you have to do to clean the pipes is press the button and wait a moment. The rotating spiral will slip deeper and deeper into pipe, and so the obstruction is removed. It's worth mentioning that the Rigid power spin plus can only be used. The pipe's diameter doesn't exceed 4 centimeters as the person doesn't touch cable with his or her hands during cleaning. The device prevents direct contact with the dirt. Its price is $47. Conduit lock nut wrench. Conduit lock nut wrench. The design of electrical outlets in different countries is quite unique. Therefore, there are often sockets equipped with an internal screw which is difficult to screw in and out. However, it is an integral part of the design, and as a general rule, workers handle it with the help of fingers or pliers. This, however, is a rather complex and even dangerous method of solving the problem. Klein Tools has invented a tool design for easy, fast, and secure screw torque. Conduit lock nut wrench is ideal for hard-to-reach connectors. They can penetrate even its and narrow deep sockets. The special rotary spindle converts a complex operation into a task that's solved in 2 movements to expands possibilities. The manufacturer offers nozzles of knot 0.75 and 1.27 centimeters. You can buy the instrument for $39. Universal Drawers Slide Jig. Universal Drawers Slide Jig, and this is another tool that can greatly facilitate the renovation work at home. Fact is that installing drawer slides is a much more complicated job than it seems at first glance. First, the calculations must be performed correctly to position the slide accurately and perpendicular to the edge. Normally, one hand should hold the slide, and the second hand is used for drilling. In the event of even the slightest mistake, the furniture will end up unevenly assembled. The drawer slide jig simplifies the task and speeds up the work. The slide is fixed in a special device, providing a secure and reliable position. The device is then placed on the edge of the cabinet. A special handle facilitates the procedure. The hand doesn't slip, the slide doesn't tilt, and doesn't change angle. The advantage is that the device completely frees your hands, as you don't need to hold on to anything on your own. Just a few movements and the slides will install perfectly and smoothly. The price of the instrument is $20. Hammerhead Crossline Laser. Hammerhead Crossline Laser. Any job that requires precise measurements is often difficult. The device you see on the screen will allow you to hang pictures, shelves, and moldings, as well as perform any other work where precision is needed. Hammerhead Crossline Laser is a series of compact devices that can be installed on any surface. Its function is to project a horizontal and vertical line, which can be used to judge the accuracy of the work. The manufacturer offers several models, from compact clip-on lasers to lasers that project a 360-degree line. The cost of their devices ranges from $50 to $90.